high-quality commercials for your local clients. It's easy with Waymark. Our groundbreaking AI quickly produces top-notch on-brand commercials. Share them with your local clients and prospects to close more deals faster than ever before. Waymark's wide array of high-res, broadcast-safe commercials are built for professional use anywhere. Go ahead, pick one. Then let our AI technology get to work, gathering your client's brand elements from the web. Elements like logos, images, footage, fonts, colors, even copy. It's all there in your client's beautiful new custom-made commercial. Use it as is or tweak it until you get that perfect finished product. One simple click and share your client's new spot with them. It's simple, easy, and allows your team to close more deals faster. And worry-free too, because each commercial is guaranteed to deliver all the right specs for any platform: TV, OTT, and digital. This is the easier way to make commercials. This is the faster way. This is the smarter way. This is Waymark.